Have you ever fantasized of fabricating your own mini ecosystem? The answer lies within a DIY terrarium. Let's delve into the process. You begin with a clear glass container of your choice. A wide neck jar is preferable for easy placement of plants and creating layers. First, add a layer of pebbles or small stones at the bottom of your jar. This helps in drainage, preventing water from pooling and causing rot. Next comes the activated charcoal. It's not just for keeping things fresh, but also filters the air and water within the terrarium, warding off any bacteria or fungus that could harm your plants. Over this, you add the potting soil, which provides the necessary nutrients for your plants to grow. When choosing your plants, consider succulents, ferns, or moss, plants that thrive in similar conditions. Succulents, with their minimal water requirements and variety of shapes and colors, are perfect for a low-maintenance terrarium. Ferns and moss, on the other hand, love the humidity and a lush green landscape. You can also include air plants. These unique plants don't require soil. They absorb nutrients and water through their leaves. They can be placed on decorative elements within the terrarium. Spider plants, known for their arching leaves and ability to thrive in various conditions, spider plants can add a touch of greenery and elegance to your terrarium. Or let's say Photonia. These small, colorful plants with distinctive veins on their leaves can add a pop of color and texture to your terrarium. They prefer humid environments. As you arrange your plants, remember to place the tallest or largest in the middle for a balanced look. But also consider each plant's light and space requirements, so they're not competing for resources. Once your plants are settled in, lightly sprinkle water. Be careful not to overwater, as this could cause root rot. And there it is, your verdant haven encased in glass. But remember, a terrarium is a living ecosystem that requires care. Keep it in a spot with filtered light and monitor the moisture levels. Every now and then, you may need to trim the plants to prevent overcrowding. Excited to embark on your terrarium journey? Take up the challenge. Can you awaken your own miniature garden? Go on then, dive into the world of terrarium crafting.